Welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Information Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. Today, we are discussing a very important provision under India's new criminal law, Section 190 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, 2023, BNS. This section corresponds to the repealed Section 149 of the Indian Penal Code, IPC, and deals with unlawful assemblies and the liability of their members when an offence is committed in furtherance of a common object. Section 190 BNS Statutory Provision. Section 190 BNS, corresponding to Section 149 IPC, states: every member of an unlawful assembly shall be guilty of an offence committed in prosecution of the common object of that assembly. Key points. If a group of 5 or more persons forms an unlawful assembly to commit an offence, each member can be held liable for acts done in furtherance of the common object, even if they did not personally commit the act. Mere presence at the scene of the crime does not establish liability. Core elements under Section 190 BNS. 1. Unlawful assembly. A gathering of 5 or more persons with a common criminal purpose. 2. Common object. A shared intention or goal to commit an offence or resist lawful authority. 3. Vicarious liability. Even if a member did not personally commit the offence, they are liable if the act was done to achieve the common object. Illustrative Judicial Guidelines 7 Critical Factors. Recently, on 7 October 2025, in Zainul v. State of Bihar, 2025 INSC 1192, Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice A. Mahadevan delivered a landmark judgment, providing the following 7 important guidelines for courts to determine whether a person was truly part of an unlawful assembly or merely an innocent bystander. 1. Time and place. When and where the assembly was formed. Was the person part of that gathering from the beginning or did he join later? 2. Conduct and behavior. What was the individual doing at the spot? Did he participate, provoke, or remain passive? 3. Collective conduct. How did the group behave collectively, and was the person's conduct aligned with that behavior? 4. Motive. Why was the assembly formed? What was the intent or purpose of the individuals involved? 5. Manner of occurrence. How did the incident unfold? Was there a planned attack or spontaneous violence? 6. Weapons used. What weapons were carried or used by members, and did the accused also carry similar weapons? 7. Extent of injuries. The number and severity of injuries caused, indicating the degree of violence intended by the group. These 7 factors form the basis of judicial assessment under the new law. The court has clearly said that the prosecution must prove that the accused shared the common object, and not merely that he was present when the crime occurred. For explanation purposes, assume a situation where a group of individuals gathers with a common criminal purpose. Some members actively commit an offense, while others are only present. In this scenario, the court would examine whether each person shared the common object and participated, rather than relying solely on presence. Key point: mere presence at the scene is insufficient for conviction. Legal significance. 1. Clarifies the scope of collective liability under Section 190 BNS. 2. Protects innocent bystanders from wrongful implication. 3. Ensures active participation with a shared object is necessary for liability. 4. Promotes fair application of criminal law in group offences. 5. Serves as a guiding precedent under the BNS. Impact under BNS, post-2024 reforms. The IPC 1860 has been repealed and replaced by the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, effective 1 July 2024. Section 190 BNS continues the essence of Section 149 IPC, ensuring accountability for group offences. However, this 2025 ruling strengthens judicial safeguards so that only true participants in unlawful assemblies are punished. Key takeaway. Under Section 190 BNS, earlier Section 149 IPC, liability arises only if the person shared the common object and actively participated in the offence. Mere presence is not enough to establish guilt. This illustrative example helps understand how courts distinguish true participants from innocent bystanders under the new law. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more legal insights. I will meet you in the next video soon. Jai Hind!